आपण एते सहजरे बसुचंदी समस्त को सुनिया कि आज कौन चर्चा हम. A very warm welcome to everyone present here today. It's truly an honor for me and for Amit to moderate this enriching session titled Odisha 2036 पूर्वोदय कथा कहते 2036 रे ओडिशा भाषा भित्तिक राज्य हबारे 100 वर्ष कंप्लीट करिवो. तो जते 100 वर्ष हम आम राज्य को कौन कौन हवा कथा कौन हेइची आ कौन चलीची आकु ही नहीं आम आज चर्चा करवा. एंड आई एम जॉइंड बाय 3 exceptional individuals today with me here on the stage, each of whom represent a different facet of this journey. तो मैं आशा करी कि आम समस्त मिसी टुगेदर वी विल एक्सप्लोर व्हाट इट मीन्स टू बी ओडिया इन 2025 एंड व्हाट शुड बी ओडिशा एंड ओडिया लोक मैंने केमी हवा कथा 2036 आमर केमी मनोबल हवा कथा आम कौन कौन अचीव करिया कथा जहाँ आम करि ना. हैविंग सेड दैट मु गोटे लाइन कही मो को मॉडरेटर अमित अच्छा कहि सेशन आरंभ करने जो चर्चा आज हम ता भर मु भावुनी कि एमती कौन भी गोटे विषय वस्तु थी जहाँ सहित आप रिलेट करें ना. से सबू जिनस चाहे जो यंग ऑडियंस ये अच्छा जो मैंने एक्सपीरियंस लोक मैंने अच्छा डिफरेंट क्लास रु डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्री रु डिफरेंट जगार समस्ते बिलंग करती मु जानी मु आशा करी कि आप समस्ते आज ये चर्चा सहित रिलेट करें एवं सेशन सरिया पर आप निश्चय आपको नहीं पुणी थे चर्चा करेंगे. ओवर टू यू अमित.
जय जगन्नाथ. So you talked about history of 100 years. But I see the history of Odisha from the time when Mahaprabhu Sri Jagannath Ji decided to stay here. I see the history of Odisha from the time when the warriors of Odisha went to fight Battle of Mahabharata. I see the history of Odisha from the time of Oira Kharvela, from the time of Gajapati Kapilendra Deva. I see the Odisha from that time frame. Today we are talking about Purvodaya. In 2036 we were going to complete 100 years of formation of a separate state. We are in the last lap of this race. 1 decade is left to achieve our goals. So my first question to Sophia ma'am will be, how do you see Purvodaya 2036? How do you see this development of Odisha?
समस्त को मोर नमस्कार. आज पूरी लिटरेरी फेस्ट रे एठी गोटे पैनल डिस्कशन पे आप डाकी तो मु प्रथम फाउंडर्स एंड समस्त को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जनइबी एते सुंदर कार्यक्रम रखापी आज. एंड आपण जो कहले अमित सिंह जो कहले एंड टू रिलेट टू साधव पुओ तांकर हैंडल रो ना होची ओडिया साधव पुओ देखा दरकार कारण ओडिशार विभिन्न जिला विषय हिस्ट्री विषय भी कहते. तो मु कटक सहर रु आसे जोटा मध्य 1000 वर्ष पुराना सहर जार लिंक आपणकर ना रु ही अच्छी. साधव पुओ माने ख्रीष्ट पूर्वर बालीजात्रा फेस्टिवल जो लिंक रे आसी साधव पुओ माने अदल बदल करने बिफोर क्राइस्ट साउथ ईस्टर्न कंट्रीज को जाऊले. ता माने कौन तार गोटे सिंपल मीनिंग अच्छे कि ओडिशा रे ओडिया मानकर जो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप स्किल्स अच्छी दैट गोज बैक मच बिफोर वी हर्ड द वर्ड एंटरप्रेन्योर ऑल्सो. आम भितर से स्किलटा अच्छी. वी हैव दैट इनबिल्ट टैलेंट स्किल जो समय ना गवर्नमेंट थिला टू सपोर्ट अस ना किछि भी थिला. इट वाज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ द करेज ऑफ द थॉट प्रोसेस दे वेंट एंड डिसाइडेड टू डू ट्रेड व्हेन दे डिडंट नो व्हाट ट्रेड वाज. Unfortunately, in today's time, it is very sad that we are still dependent on mining. जदि आमे बजेट देखिबो बजेट गोटे बहुत सुंदर बजेट को होचो आमे 2,90,000 लाख करोड़ बजेट जदि हेची आज मध्य 20% डिपेंडेंसी रेवेन्यू जो रिसीट होची that is from the mining sector, from the royalty collected. So somewhere if we are speaking about कि आमे 2036 vision देखुचु जिमती आमे companies रे, because I also come from the business background, एटी बहुत लोक माने अछंती जो माने बहुत भल से रिलेट करि परिबे. ऑल लर्नेड बुद्धिजीवी माने एटी उपस्थित अछंती. आमे जते बेले विजन तैयार करू निजो कंपनी रो, वी स्टार्ट विथ स्वॉट एनालिसिस, स्ट्रेंथ, वीकनेस, अपॉर्चुनिटी, थ्रेट. So if we are speaking about politics, if we are speaking about something we need to give to the society, that SWOT analysis has to be there. So somewhere we feel कि जो 2036 ता टार्गेट नहीं कि आमे जाउछु मात्र 11 years to go. This budget itself will also contribute to that vision 2036. जदि एई वर्ष 2 लाख 95,000 lakh crore बजेट होउची पाखापाखि 36 लाख कोटी बजेट टा हबो किंतु is that budget sufficient to actually propel the growth, propel the economic growth, to propel the talent that Odias have, to ensure everybody is properly educated, ensure that we can develop manufacturing units here, ensure that we reduce our dependency from the other states, जोटा कि बहुत कष्ट देखिबा पई माने कहिबा पई इजी किंतु if we deep dive into each issues, agriculture ऊपर को पळेबू कि tourism ऊपर एक पळेबी कारण tourism is easy to relate. Aji, if you see the last statistics 2022 ra, matra 1 crore tourists have come to Odisha as compared to other states when the highest states are like UP has 30 crore tourist inflow. Similarly, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, our neighbor, even West Bengal has a larger tourist inflow of 8 crore if we compare. So our gap is huge. It is only because we are blessed with natural resources that we are saying we are a surplus state. But our alternate sources of income is still not there. Our people, our youth mass is still searching for employment. So there are a lot of basic grassroots issues that needs to be addressed, just like we sit down with our company, which we treat as a baby, and we sit down with SWOT analysis and understanding, deep dive into each and every issue.
So I would request Jitendranath sir to give his views about Odisha in 2036 Purvodaya. So Dipado kahibe kona apanka views achi.
Well, thank you very much for this invitation to the Puri Literary Festival. ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଶୁଭେଚ୍ଛା ଜଣାଉଛି ବହୁତ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ମୁଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ବି କହିବି କିଛି ତାପରେ ଇଂରାଜୀରେ ବି କହିବି ଏଠି ପ୍ରାୟ ସମସ୍ତେ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ନା ଅଣ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ବି ଅଛନ୍ତି କିଛି ଅଛନ୍ତି ତେଣୁକରି ମୁଁ ଉଚିତ ମନେ କରୁଛି ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ସମୃଦ୍ଧି ଯଦି ଆମେ ବଢ଼େଇବା ଓଡ଼ିଶାକୁ ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ ଯଦି ଚିହ୍ନିବେ ତାହେଲେ ଇଂରାଜୀରେ କହିବା ସମ୍ଭବତଃ ଉଚିତ ହେବ ସମସ୍ତେ ବୁଝିପାରିବେ Therefore, what I said is that if we are going to take the message of the development of Odisha and its potential outside the state, it would be probably more prudent to speak in English. So I shall stick to English. I want to just continue from what Sophia Firdaus just said, 2 points. Sadhava and tourism. How are they linked? The past to the present and to the future. The seafarers of Odisha sailed to the Far East, even perhaps up to China, certainly up to Bali, Indonesia, Java, Sumatra, Srivijaya, Mahajapit, etc. There is a word that is used for Indians in Malaysia. It's called kling. It's also used in some parts of Vietnam. I have served in Southeast Asia. I speak Vietnamese, and I've researched it. And we had the great Champa Kingdom there. But it has a different connotation in Malaysia, at least. So I won't go into that. So there is a historical memory that Indians were called Kling. That means Kalinga. But Kalinga was not modern Odisha. It was from the Ganga to the Godavari and sometimes beyond at its zenith. So it shrinks and shrivels, it expands. So if we could do it in the past, we can do it in the future. And we must do everything right in the present to be able to do it in the future. That's the first point. The second point is tourism. I don't want to be negative or pessimistic, but I am a scholar and observer. And everything I say or do is evidence-based. I'm not going into social media, influencing, and those kinds of things. And a lot of those things are not accurate, to say the least. So here's some data. Here is some information. You had the World Cup. I was advisor to the government of Odisha on sports in the year 2017-18 for a year and a half. And I gave them a plan for the World Cup, which they carried out ditto. People are not interested in hockey. They want to have a good time. So you have to have food, you have to have sales of products, services, music, and they had everything. It's very European, which is something I saw in Europe, in Netherlands, for example. But did the tourist inflow, the tourism inflow into Odisha happen? I doubt very much that it happened. I'm sure, because I requested for data so many times, I wanted to project it positively. It never happened because there was probably no data to share. That's fine. Now, you have to change your mindset. It's not enough to create even infrastructure. You have to pick up the trash. I have to do it like that and put it in the bin. Everybody wants a clean bed and a clean toilet. It's a basic requirement. And we are not able to do that. I face that problem. I'm sorry, I don't want to be pessimistic. So if you want to do tourism, you have to change your way of thinking. I have something more to say on this, but I shall reserve that for later.
Thank you so much, sir. I'll definitely come to this shipping point after some time. Upasana ma'am, it's a pleasure to have you between us. You belong to a family of great leaders. Boxi Jagabandhu. Na kahile samastonka rakta ebe garam heijibo. You come from the family of Lulu Mahapatra. By 2036, I'm sure you must be sitting in a position, very dignified position, powerful position. So if, imagine you are sitting in that chair, how do you want to see Odisha as? Odisha of your imagination in 2036.
First of all, आज मंचरे उपस्थित एवं मंच सामने उपस्थित समस्त अतिथि मानकु नमस्कार, जय जगन्नाथ एवं समस्त ऑर्गेनाइजर्स मानकु मध्य धन्यवाद प्रथमे जणैबाकु चाहूची। स्कूल समयरु कॉलेज समयरु लिटरेरी फेस्ट रो कथा जेतेबेले भी सुनुथिली बहुत एक्साइटमेंट रो सह मु अटेंड करूथिली। इट इज माय प्रिविलेज टुडे दैट आई हैव बीन इनवाइटेड एज अ गेस्ट हियर इन माय ओन डिस्ट्रिक्ट, इन माय ओन होमलैंड, द लैंड ऑफ महाप्रभु श्री जगन्नाथ। आमे जेतेबेले 2036, when we talk about vision 2036 and Purvodaya, let us understand what Purvodaya really means. It essentially means the rise of the East. Because for the longest time, the east of India, our east, has waited patiently. Our rivers have quietly flowed, our temples have whispered stories, and our fields have bloomed, but in silence. Our voice was not always heard, and our potential was not always seen. But today, the time has come that we don't just need to look east, we need to act, and we need to rise, and we need to lead. Aji jetabele ame Vision 2036 bisore kohuchu, to me, it is not just a government plan, but a generational promise and a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for all of us Odias to come together and build an Odisha that is dignified, authentic, confident, and globally admired by the time we turn 100 years old as a state. And if you ask me who will shape this vision, I believe every Odia, no matter where they live, what they do, they are a stakeholder in this dream and this grand vision. First, we have Odias of the soil, the ones who live in Odisha, the ones who are building this state inch by inch with their own hands, with their intellect, and with their hard work. They are our farmers, our artisans, our weavers, our local entrepreneurs, students, ASHA workers, our engineers. They are the ones building this state block by block. And then we have Odias of the world, the Odias that are living across cities in India and overseas. Their connection to Odisha might be through family, lineage, bloodline, their roots or their inner sense of identity, but that connection, we need to understand, is very powerful, because I sincerely believe they are the ones who will bring in investments, innovation, more opportunities, and also increased visibility for our causes. And Vision 2036, I sincerely believe, is the bridge between these two worlds, one that roots us and another that launches us. And of course, the youth and women have to be at the forefront of this transformation. And not just as cheerleaders, but as change makers. When we talk about youth, we are already seeing, as we approach the year 2036, as we are getting closer and closer to our 100th birthday as a state, we are already seeing youth participation increasing. If you look at our Odisha Legislative Assembly, a significant chunk of us are young people, and there are 4 legislators in the assembly who are under the age of 30, one of whom has gone on to become probably one of the youngest ministers ever. And what happens when youth is taking charge of this change and this transformation? I'll give you a very simple but a very revolutionary idea. What kind of Odisha I want to see when we are in the year 2036, the seed of it is being sowed today. Our Honorable Sports Minister, while I was talking to him, he mentioned that his vision for the next 5 years is developing sports infrastructure across all blocks of Odisha. Odisha ro 314 block re 314 stadium total. Gote stadium in each block. And I think that is very important. Karan ame jebe bhi amo sporting stars manku dekhichu, mo Brahmagiri re madhya javelin star Kishore Jena janma grahan karchunti, kintu he had to go very far away from home to get opportunities and to get trained and earn laurels for our country. So, जितेबेले आमर sporting stars माने global podium रे ठिया ही थांती, they often say that I trained on broken fields, I practiced in muddy roads, I did not have sports gear or shoes. And while that speaks volumes about their resilience, it also paints a very sorry picture of our state. But now imagine the next generation of athletes standing on a global podium and confidently saying, my state gave me a platform. I trained in a world-class stadium in my own block near my own panchayat. I think that is the shift that I am also looking for, and that is how you change the narrative of a region, not just with medals, but with pride. And when you ask me what kind of Odisha I want to see in the year 2036, I want to see the outcome of all these small ideas that have culminated into bigger impact.
Wonderful opening remarks by 3 of our panelists. Sophia ji talked about entrepreneurship and her vision of 2036. Then Jitendra sir talked about the tourism and its potential. You, Prasanna ji, you talked about youth leaders, women empowerment, what we can achieve in the sports sector. So when we talk about Odisha in 2036, I believe there is not only one sector that we should be focusing about, and you 3 have made it very clear by discussing about 3 different topics. Now coming to you, Sophia ji, I have this question, and I'm sure that a lot of people in the house right now who is listening to all of us, they have the same question. When we talk about Odisha in 2036, it cannot be done without the middle class. Now, talking about middle class, the most discussed topic is the affordable housing. Now, let's take an example for Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar katha hame samaste janchandi, affordable housing, there is no word exist in affordable housing in Bhubaneswar. We talk about cities like Cuttack, we talk about cities like even Rourkela, where the land prices are going up like anything, 1 crore, 2 crore, jaha mohar baharla. It is difficult for anyone, any middle class person to buy a house. So my question to you, being an entrepreneur, you being in the real estate sector for a very long time, now you're into politics, so you have seen both the pictures, what actually happened behind the scenes and what is happening right now. I want to know what's your views on this and how we can overcome this challenge of affordable housing, and so that middle class jo sabutu bada asubidha achi ki ghara kemiti nemi moro swapnor ghara ame kuhandi seida kemiti haba. What's your view on this?
Yes, affordability is a big issue if we speak about the major cities, jimti ki Cuttack, Bhubaneswar, Rourkela apano kahile. Also because over dependency lokomanakar body jauchi karana Odisha re jo 4.5 koti population achanti, every household, jimti last census re 1.1 crore households ra hisab thila, everybody wants ki amara gote ghara amako dharkar capital re Bhubaneswar re. Jyoti pai ki over dependency on just one city goes up. If you go beyond Bhubaneswar, people are not ready to stay in little outskirts as well. So there is high requirement ki ette jilla bhitru, ette constituency bhitru, 147 constituency ru, the dependency goes up in hardly, you can say 8 to 10 constituency. The land availability is less. The price of land is very high because most of the lands are litigated, which is a big issue in Bhubaneswar, which you will find especially in Patia area as well. तो ଯେତେବେଳେ government is planning for an expansion, ଯେମିତି କି last government also unfolded a vision 2030, comprehensive development plan vision 2030, ଏବେ 25 ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଆଉ 5 ବର୍ଷ ଆସୁଛି, ପୁଣି this government came up with Odisha 2036. So these figures, they should not just rely on shifting the balls and taking more time. Rather it should be focused in the time being. Currently how do we need to perform? So बहुत सारा area develop करिबा को पड़िबो, in the outskirts link करिबा को पड़िबो, infra develop करिया को पड़िबो. Infra is extremely important. गोटे example आपन को देबी जो सेपटे Info Valley 2. Info Valley 2 कथा भी आमे बहुत आगुरु सुनुचु, 10 वर्ष पूर्वरु सुनुचु कि Info Valley 2 is coming up, where the IT sectors will come and that area will also grow. Employment opportunity रहिबो, किंतु दुख कथा से खाली Infosys अच्छी, एबे सुब्रत बागची cancer hospital has opened up. So the point is, unless the government comes with attractive opportunities for investment in the city and expands outskirts area को develop करिबो, जेमति Cuttack रो core area रे we don't have land, the prices will be exorbitant. किंतु टिके periphery रे, if you go to Trishulia area, that area is developing, so government should immediately work on the infra, road, drainage, other facilities develop कर देले, से area को लोग shift है, तो आपे the prices will go down. We cannot control the tax part. The tax part is a share of the central and state government, be it the 5% GST, be it the stamp duty and registration charge of 7%, indirect taxes that are incurred when you buy materials and all. But we have a control on the development that is happening, and we have a control on the land prices, जोड़ा कि जदि टिके outskirts रे develop करा जाई पारिबो, ताले drastically price will come down for real estate and affordability can be easy. Also PPP mode जोड़ा मध्य 10 वर्ष पूर्व announce करा जाइथिला, public private partnership रे lands will be made available wherein affordable projects will come up, and the future share of the land, 40% land will be reserved for affordable housing. Kintu said actually it's good to keep on the paperwork. Why I'm saying this, because on the paper we see a lot of things, but तुरंत ताको implement करिबा मध्य और बहुत आवश्यकता अछि, जोटी कि government रे bureaucrat play a very important role and the government play a very important role, plus experienced consultant should be onboarded, so that how we can immediately implement the policies that are announced. How soon you implement, how soon you work on those policies actually has a direct impact on what we see on the ground. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sophia ji. So this is a wonderful question for Jitendra Nath sir, because he has seen the world like I don't think that any of us has seen, and apong bahut experience rahichi bahare madhya. So I would like to like Amit to ask this question about Odisha's maritime capital. You mentioned about before the session starts.
So, from years and years, sailors of Odisha have been trading, as you have said earlier. As you have said earlier, sailors of Odisha has been trading with different parts of the world, not just Southeast Asia, also different other reasons. We had been, as ma'am also said, we are entrepreneurs from thousands of years. But that legacy has gone. We were the maritime capital of India at some point of time. We taught people how to navigate. When people were afraid of the high seas, we were navigating at that time. Can some policies, can some plans change this and we again become maritime capital of India? Can we create a maritime hub here?
Not by 2036, for sure. In the more distant future, possibly. Probably, no. Possibly, yes. But a lot of things need to be done. And let me tell you what needs to be done. I'm an outsider. I'm an insider outsider, meaning that I've never really lived here. So I think I can give a different perspective from someone who doesn't live here, perhaps a little more detached, or less emotional, less involved, and as I said, very accurate. And here's some data. Look, if you want to be the maritime capital of the world, first you have to have a consciousness, Chetana, that you are the maritime capital of India, sorry. Well, were you? Nobody outside Odisha believes that Odisha was the maritime capital of India. So are we telling the truth? Are we self-intoxicated? I don't think either. I think we are proud and we have singular achievements in that field. But where is the research? I'd like to ask my friends here. There are two wonderful ladies on my left and right and left, and two wonderful gentlemen beyond. And they are very educated people. Entrepreneur, politician, both politicians, fiercely driven, as I can see. But I'd like to ask you, and all of you in the audience, who are the great scholars of the history of Odisha who operate within Odisha? I don't know if there are any right now. Right now. There were some in the past. The problem is we are in the sort of dark age when it comes to the history of Odisha, certainly in the second millennium, even in the first millennium. As a student of history, I have read very little authentic history of Odisha in detail in the major histories of India. You know, there's this Eastern Gangas, Kesari dynasties, and these are all dynastic lines, chronological. There's no subaltern history. There is no maritime history. So the first thing is to research, to find out. To understand the future, you must understand the past, to master the future. The second thing is that let's be careful about the base at which we are starting. We are starting from a very low base. Now, Odisha's indicators are good. The growth rate is higher than the national average, according to the report tabled in the Odisha Legislative Assembly in February, I read. But here is some other data, economic data, according to the Economic Survey report. 11th in per capita income in the country, rank 11. Middling, not too bad. Improved from before, but still a very low base. 8.8% less than India's per capita income. And only 2.867% of India's GDP share, not even 3% in the year 2025. That is abysmal, actually, given the potential. So the first thing that we have to do is to recognize our weaknesses. And let us not be intoxicated with hyperbole. Let us be real. And I would like to ask the young people, how many of you have read the history of Odisha in detail? Please do that. Read the literature. Now, we heard about Ramakanta Ratha, and I'm now moving from history to poetry. Okay? They're all connected, social sciences, humanities. There was a lot of discussion about his great poetry. But how many of you have actually read, the young people? I know that people in middle age, older generation have read a lot, 40s and beyond. But have 15-somethings, 20-somethings read him? He was till the other day the greatest living poet, the most important living poet, at least of the 20th century, the second half of the 20th century, after Sachi Rautrai, and certainly in the 21st century. And I say it with some knowledge. I'm not making it up. He is a world-class poet. Look at the translations of Odia writers. You know, outside Odisha, nobody knows. Very few people know, even Ramakanta Ratha, who is a world-class writer. He belongs to the world. He's not just one of India's best. He is one of the really great poets I have read in original, and we've done some translation. Sachi Rautrai. Where are the great biographies of the great Odias? Indians don't know about Odias. Forget about people outside. Nonka Drubikya, we speak about the Bengal famine. All of India knows about the Bengal famine, even the Madras famine. But nobody knows that 1 million people perished in the Nonka Drubikya. Did that break your backs? Your great achievements were in the first millennium, not in the second. So now you are just trying to find your bearings and to move forward. So the answer to your question is it's a very difficult one.
थैंक यू सो मच सर आपण कहले कि मैरीटाइम कैपिटल हवा बहुत डिफिकल्ट बट दी जन मैम अच्छी मोर एटा रिक्वेस्ट यू कैन टेक दिस फॉरवर्ड एंड आउ गोटे भी रिक्वेस्ट रहा प्लीज ट्राई टू गेट ऑन बोर्ड सी फेयरर्स ऑफ ओडिशा ओके अलॉन्ग विथ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स सी फेयरर्स कही पारे वेयर द इश्यू इज आपण देखु आई डोंट वांट टू क्रिटिसाइज हियर बट बालीजात्रा होची केते जन सी फेयर को डका है आज जाए फेलिसिएट करने आई टेल यू टू बी ऑनेस्ट शिपिंग इंडस्ट्री बहुत जन जायंट्स अच्छा फ्रॉम ओडिशा आई टेल यू जो मैंने शिपिंग इंडस्ट्री चाकरी पाती से पाखु जा पहुँचती देर आर बिग कंपनीज जार हेड होती आम ओडिया मैंने सो इफ वी कैन कनेक्ट टू देम ब्रिंग इन ऑन बोर्ड ताले स्वप्नटा बोधे साकार हो पार ओवर टू यू सो
Lovely. So now we are talking about numbers, we are talking about GDP, we are talking about businesses and how we can bring back the old glory of Odisha by, being a superpower in maritime business. Talking about the numbers, there is another number which is being widely debated, widely circulated. That number is 100. And this question is for Upasana ji because it took 24 years for your party, Bharatiya Janata Party, to come to power. So now you're in power, and this 100 cube is being discussed a lot. A vision of Honorable Minister Dharmendra Pradhan ji, 100 cube. We ODIs often, people don't see us, like sir mentioned that भारत रे लोक ओडिशा ओडिया विषय जान ना फॉरगेट अबाउट बाहर कौन जानिबे तो आमे निज भितर आमे खुशी होचु कि हमर ये हमर से आमे बहुत सारा चर्चा होची people don't see Odia community as a business community. Unlike we talk about Gujaratis, we talk about Marwadis, we don't talk about Odias as a business community. Now there's this vision of 100 cube. 100 cube is a vision where we are discussing that by 2036, if I'm not wrong, correct me, I may quote wrongly, but there will be 100 startups, 100 entrepreneurs from Odisha whose company will be of 100 crore valuation. We talk about that. So I want to know from you that how do you see these things happening? And because you mentioned about the women empowerment as well, so I would like to ask you about the women entrepreneurship as well, ki what your government is doing and what's your vision for the women entrepreneurship. Kana Odisha re mahila mana katha ate kohu ame sabu jinsa discussion hue, but how the women can take the entrepreneurship and go forward, we don't discuss about that. And like we all will agree, I think, unless mahila mane jadi business ko asunanti, unless they take the charge, it is very difficult to go ahead. So I want to know your opinion on this and what your vision and what are the policies that you see that will change this scenario.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मु ए विषय ही डिस्कस करने को चाहिए जहाँ रिस्पेक्टेड मिश्रा सर मध्य कहले ओडिशा बाहर ओडिया मानू एवं ओडिशा को केमिति देखती हाउ पीपल व्यू अस आउटसाइड ऑफ आर स्टेट एंड आर कंट्री इट रियली मैटर्स मते मने अच्छे 2015 मसीह मुझे कॉलेज रे पाठ पढ़ाई बाहर को जाइली आई वाज इन मुंबई पीपल आस्क्ड मी वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम सो आई सेड ओडिशा मते पचारे ओ वो जो तमिलनाडु में है किसी लोग मत पचारे वो वेस्ट बेंगल वाला ना आमर गोटे आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस रही जाइथिला एज ओडियाज आउटसाइड ऑफ ओडिशा एबे जेतेबेले आमे विजन 2036 विषय कथा होचु 100 वर्ष पूर्ति ओडिशार जो मुहूर्त रे हबो सेतेबेले केमितिका ओडिशा आमे देखिबा को चाहूचु केमती स्वप्नर ओडिशा आमे देखिबा को चाहूचु एवं जो सब विजन्स आउचु सब नंबर्स आपण कहउचंती तार आधार कोन होची आत्मनिर्भरता आमे या बनैबा को चाहूचु एमती तैयारी करबा को चाहूचु ओडिशा को कि ओडिशा डज नॉट हैव टू लुक आउटसाइड एंड डिपेंड ऑन समबडी एल्स आमे एबे जदी हिस्ट्री हमरो देखितेबा इवन अ रिसेंट हिस्ट्री इट इज रिडल्ड विथ मास माइग्रेशन पीपल आर कन्फ्यूज्ड अबाउट देयर आइडेंटिटी प्रथम थर पाई गत निर्वाचन रे मध्य ओडिया अस्मिता गोटे बड़ प्रसंग बनिकी उठिला जोटा कि केबे आसी नथिला केबे आमे उठिकी घर बाहर को बाहरिकी प्रश्न ही करि नथिलु आम आइडेंटिटी पाई लड़िबा पाई आम आइडेंटिटी एवं आम पास्ट ग्लोरी को रिक्लेम करिबा पाई आमर से उद्देश्यटा एई वर्ष एवं गत वर्ष आमे प्रथम थर पाई देखिबा को पाइलु बहुत जोरदार भाबरे सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ डेवलपमेंट्स व्हाट काइंड ऑफ विजन्स एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पॉलिसीज वी हैव टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू ताहले मु या कहबी कि 2036 सुधा केवल आवर not just our cities but from the ground up पूर्वोदयर माने होची rise of the east rise टा हबो from the ground up मु गोटे रूरल बेल्ट को रिप्रेजेंट करे अवश्य मु बड़ होईची सहरांचल रे भुवनेश्वर एवं कटक रे पाठ पढ़ी बाहर को मध्य जाईची किंतु बुलिकी मु सीधा पहुँचली मो निज गाँ को गड़रोडंग को आउ सेठी मु देखुची ओडिशार केवल ओडिशार नहीं भारतर स्पिरिट इंडिया स्पिरिट इज इन इट्स विलेजेस सो फर्स्ट रूरल डेवलपमेंट विषय आम जोटा कहूँ I think that has to be a focus because for far too long we have focused on our cities, we have focused on development in the capital city and nearby surrounding areas, but we have forgotten our villages. एपर्यंत rural connectivity ठारू आरंभ करी ड्रिंकिंग वाटर मध्य आमे संपूर्ण भाबरे पाई पारु नाहु सठिक भाबरे पाई पारु नाहु जो पर्यंत आमे से सब फंडामेंटल इश्यूज को टैकल करू नाहु बड़ बड़ स्वप्न देखिबाटा मध्य ठीक नहीं आगो जो फंडामेंटल इश्यूज आम गाँ गहली अच्छी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट जो सब इश्यूज अच्छी मु मध्य अवगत अच्छी एंड आपन जमती कहले कि राइट नाउ यूर इन पावर बीइंग इन पावर डज नॉट मीन दैट यू विल नेग्लेक्ट द रियलिटी वी आर अवेयर ऑफ व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ओडिशा व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ब्रह्मगिरी वी हैव इनहेरिटेड फ्रॉम आवर एंसेस्टर्स एंड वी आर विलिंग टू वर्क ऑन दैट the vision that we are talking about maybe we might be able to achieve certain things and we might not be able to achieve a lot of other things but the important bit is we have that vision we are driven and after a very long time Odiyas are rising Odiyas have become activated and we are again it reminds me of the rebellion of 1817 the Paiko rebellion Odiyas were the first people in the entire country to fight for independence भारतर प्रथम स्वाधीनता संग्राम ओडिशा माटी रे खोर्धा रे पुरी रे नयागढ़ रे पाइको विद्रोह द्वारा हेची एबे 2024 रे मध्य आमे देखिछु जागृत ओडिया जागृत ओडिशा ओडिया अस्मिता जेतेबेले गोटे प्रसंग बनिला मोर सेही मुहूर्त रे मध्य विश्वास आसीगला कि जो सब विजन्स जो बड़ बड़ टार्गेट्स आमे अचीव करबा को चाहूछु छोटो छोटो स्टेप नै कि like they say in English baby steps and giant leaps everything will be possible ए नुआ ओडिशा रे जेमते कि मु कहली युव पीढ़ी आसिलेनी महिला माने मध्य तांको घरु बाहरिलेनी एंड व्हाइल इन अर्बन एरियाज द मॉडर्न अर्बन वुमन इज ऑलरेडी लिविंग अ होम मेकिंग हर मार्क इन द वर्ल्ड एंड गेनिंग फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस रूरल ओडिशा रे मध्य द वुमेन आर not talking like they are victims anymore they are talking like they are leaders micro entrepreneurship gote empty concept that has spread like wildfire in all our villages ebe apono subhadra yojana nei jantu as an example jetebele 50,000 over 5 years 10,000 a year jetebele se amount diya jauchi gote mahila ku think about a woman who's running a poultry farm or who's weaving handloom in her courtyard small businesses for them that amount is not charity it is trust it is capital it is recognition so with all these small steps that will culminate into bigger ones that will snowball into bigger ones I sincerely believe amaro lakshya ku ame nihati bhabare hasil karibu we might be able to achieve something again I would like to repeat we might be able to achieve some things and we might have to wait a little longer to achieve the rest but we will certainly get there because that drive that fire that spirit it has come back in the form of Odia Asmita and I think at this point that is something we all should be very proud of and we all should celebrate and keep that spirit and fire alive and take it forward it is not just the administration's or the government's duty it is not just a leader's duty it is the duty of every single Odia no matter who you are no matter what you do no matter where you live for a Bikasit Odisha in 2036 every Odia has to get up and every Odia has to partake in this tryst with transformation
थैंक यू सो मच मैम आपण बढ़िया कथाटा कहले पूरा ओडिशार विकास हो पार जिते गाँ गहलीर विकास हो एते दिन भितर आमे माने बहुत कथा कही आसु कि ओडिशार विकास होउची हेले रीजनल डेवलपमेंट रे डिस्पैरिटी अच्छी सब जगह इक्वाली डेवलप्ड है ना एथिपाई बहुत जगह स्वर मध्य उठुची आपण ठीक कथा कहले डेवलपमेंट सबुठी हम आउ ता द्वारा ओडिशार डेवलपमेंट हो पार आम ए स्टार्टअप कथा होते तो सोफिया मैम माय क्वेश्चन विल बी फॉर यू आपण एंटरप्रेन्योर आपण पॉलिटिशियन भी आपण पॉलिसी भी तैयारी करेंगे से पॉलिसी को व्यवहार करके बिजनेस भी करेंगे ताहले मते कहिबे ए पॉलिसी मेकिंग रे आउ पॉलिसी को यूज करिया भितर ओडिसा रे किछि बा भारत वर्ष रे किछि गैप अछि आउ ए गैप को केमिति फिल करा ही परिबो जो द्वारा ओडिसा रो डेवलपमेंट हे परिबो बिजनेस सेक्टर रे डेवलपमेंट हे परिबो
See, ग्रेट एग्जाम्पल इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस जदि आम गोटे 10 वर्षर ग्रोथ देखा चाहूँ इज हैदराबाद माने वी ऑल अग्री दैट द काइंड ऑफ शिफ्ट हैदराबाद has been able to do in the last 10 years is commendable. सेटा सरपास करी जाइछि अलगा मेट्रो सिटीज लाइक बेंगलुरु लोक आसुचंती पुणेरु मध्य लोक आसुचंती सो द टाइमलाइन जो होची 10 वर्ष 11 years जो टाइम आम पाखरे अच्छी वी हैव टू बी वेरी प्रैक्टिकल इट हैज टू वर्क ऑन द ग्राउंड इट इज ओके टू यू नो सी रोजी पिक्चर्स बट प्रैक्टिकल हवा भी बहुत आवश्यकता अच्छे जमती आपण मते कहले कि पॉलिसीज रे कौन डिफरेंस अच्छी बिकॉज मो मध्य या पूर्वरु मोर रियल एस्टेट जर्नी रे पॉलिसी एडवोकेसी बहुत करूथली तो पॉलिसी ड्राफ्टिंग पॉलिसी कन्विंसिंग गवर्नमेंट को ता पछरे बहुत टाइम स्पेंड करिछि तो इन द लास्ट 10 months व्हाट आई सी इज जहाँ प्रीवियस गवर्नमेंट रो पॉलिसी थिला एबे मध्य से ढांचा ही चलीछि से ढांचा किसी चेंज है ना इफ यू ब्रॉडली सी देयर इज ओनली वन एजुकेशन पॉलिसी विच हैज बीन अडॉप्टेड बिकॉज इट वाज इन द सेंट्रल बट स्टेट निज तरफ एक्ट करके जो बॉटलनेक गुड़ाक अच्छी कौ पॉलिसी रे कौन इश्यू अच्छी गुड़ा केमती सॉल्व हो पारिबो से दिग को एपर्यंत जाई नाहंती द फर्स्ट स्टेप टुवर्ड्स अट्रैक्टिंग इन्वेस्टमेंट और रिटेनिंग द एक्जिस्टिंग इन्वेस्टमेंट आई आस्क्ड वेरी ब्लंट क्वेश्चंस इन to the government through my questions you know in Make in Odisha मध्य मोर प्रश्न थिला Make in Odisha रे बहुत सारा प्रश्न थिला कि जो MOU गुड़ाक साइन करा हेची से MOU भी जदि आमे ताकू ठीक भाबरे जो सिंगल विंडो क्लियरेंस कथा कहूचु गोटे विंडो रे सबू अप्रूवल्स मिली जबा गोटे विंडो रे से माने 10टा जगह को दौड़िया को पड़िबो नाही इवन लैंड डिमार्केट करा जाई परिबो कलेक्टर विल टेक द रिस्पांसिबिलिटी डिमार्केट लैंड डू द बाउंड्री वॉल सबू एनओसी क्लियरेंसेस जो डिपार्टमेंट रो अछि एनएच रो हो कि जो विभाग रो अछि गोटे विंडो रे तांको जदि आमे देई परिबा ताले से कंपनीज एंड ऑल कैन सेट अप देयर इंडस्ट्रीज विद इन द टाइम फ्रेम एंड पिला माने भी मध्य हमर यूथ माने एम्प्लॉयमेंट मध्य पाई परिबे तो द स्टेप्स हैव नॉट येट बीन टेकन लैंड डिमार्केशन इज नॉट येट डन सिमिलरली इफ आई स्पीक अबाउट women empowerment I think after my questions they have started working on it I just asked a simple question कि how many women have applied in Make in Odisha कारण मो अंचल रे भी महिला माने अप्लाई करथिले तांको एपर्यंत जगह दिया जाय नाही and how many facilitation you have done for those women so the reply came that we haven't assessed because they apply with the name of the company so we haven't assessed how many women led businesses have applied so it's very important कि पॉलिसी इज अ वेरी बिग गैप जोड़ा मु फील करुच्ची आगु जहाँ थिला सेम लाइन रे चली नाउ द गवर्नमेंट जो जदि कहउचंती लोकंकर सरकार दे हैव टू सिट विथ द स्टेक होल्डर्स द ब्यूरोक्रेट्स आउ लोकंक भितरे ब्यूरोक्रेट्स एंड कंपनीज को भितरे स्टार्टअप्स को भितरे गोटे बहुत लंबा गैप आज मध्य अच्छी मु भाबुची से माने जदि गोटे स्टार्टअप करिया को कि चाहउचंती दे आर नॉट एबल टू ओपनली गो एंड गेट द गाइडेंस कि आमे केमती करिवो से गैप टा को ब्रिज करा जाओ ताकि एनीबडी एनी डिपार्टमेंट दे वांट टू गो दे वांट टू गेट इन्फॉर्मेशन दे वांट टू स्टार्ट समथिंग देयर हैज टू बी अ हेल्प डेस्क इन एवरी डिपार्टमेंट wherein they can help them in helping them with the policies and all similarly policy गुड़ा को बहुत simple हबार आवश्यकता अच्छी every department should brainstorm on the policies they can compare with the best states who are coming up with good policies they can compare with other nations as well Jimti Dubai is growing so rapidly why can't we compare ourselves and try to be at par with them कि तुम्हारे policy रे कौन करिछंती how simplified they are how can we ensure कि आमर पॉलिसी मेकिंग आउरी बेटर हो पारिबो एंड लोक माने संगे संग अप्रूवल्स पाई पारिबे तांको हैरेस करा जिवो नाही काम केमती तुरंत करा जाई पारिबो तो in that phase I feel there is a big gap and we as opposition we play a major role in showing the mirror to the government in trying to find out the shortfalls in the policies jemti Subhadra Yojana also we try to push in and lot of loopholes were there and we try to highlight the issues so we hope that this role of is very important of a policy maker wherein they are able to understand each and everything they are drafting they make it very easy for the front person so that they can come up and they can do their own work you know entrepreneurship spirit भी develop करिवो निर्भय ही कि काम करि परिबे भयभीत हेबे नाही ताको के हैरेस करिबे नाही तो entire process has to be you know done in a very simple way
As you mentioned about Sophia ma'am, you I mean, we are not supposed to discuss politics, but as you mentioned about the ruling party and how the Make in India is going on, you talked about Subhadra. So I have a follow-up question for this. As in the role of opposition, your party, I want to know that whoever will be sitting by 2036, whoever will be the opposition, as a role of opposition, what should be the key issues and how will you prioritize in bringing those issues to the public?
See, the key issues, I will say we have to take up every department. There are issues with every department, and if you're looking at a growth, it has to be a holistic growth. Let's start with agriculture. If we speak about 2036, till now we are dependent on productions from the other states. Alu pai, sobu jinso pai. Ame jodi cold storage kochu arambo karibu, the cold storages which are defunct, the new cold storages, that itself will take 3 to 4 years minimum if we do it in a proper way. So the action has to start, in a very pura fast track action mode. Pura gear up mode ke ampa kya samaya nahi. Jemti nijara business kala balaku, nijo kamo karla balaku, ame sabbole negative bhi dekhu na ki kona problems asi pare, ya pai kona ame precautions nabu and team ko drive koru. So that driving mode asiba darkar. Similarly, tourism department re. Tourism re, like we have the longest coastline. Sir rightly pointed out the issue of toilet. As a lady, ମୁଁ ନିଜେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ଫେସ୍ କରିଛି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ କନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁଏନ୍ସିରୁ ବାହାରକୁ ଯାଉଛୁ 7 ଘଣ୍ଟା 8 ଘଣ୍ଟା ଟଏଲେଟ୍ ହିଁ ନାହିଁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ସ ଅ ବେସିକ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅ ଭେରି ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ରିକ୍ୱାୟରମେଣ୍ଟ ଟଏଲେଟ୍ ଏଭ୍ରିବଡି ନିଡ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଟୁରିଷ୍ଟ ନିଡ୍ ସ୍ପେଶାଲି ପ୍ରବାସୀ ଭାରତୀୟ ବେଳେ ମୁଁ ମିଟିଂସରେ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ରହିଥିଲି ଡିସ୍ପାଇଟ୍ ବିଙ୍ଗ ଇନ୍ ଦି ଅପୋଜିସନ୍ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଭେରି ଭେରି ଆକ୍ଟିଭ୍ ଇନ୍ ଅଲ୍ meetings everywhere because it's through constructive debates only we can correct our we can take proper measures. Similarly, pravasi bharatiya re bhi ame kahitulu toilet apna age korantu. So these in developing the infrastructure, tourism jodi ame dhariba, the tourism re robust marketing campaigns, spendings on the campaigns like other people do, like God's own country, it's faring. Why are tourists going to say Tamil Nadu? 20 crore tourists are going. Why are 30 crore tourists going to UP? Why this tourism is only 1 crore? And how can we go to 10 crore in 10 years? So developing the infrastructure, attracting tourism, connecting our cultural belt. Like I've been very vocal ki people, whoever is coming to Bhubaneswar, semane kebala Bhubaneswar ruhanti, Mahaprabhu ka darshan kariki palanti. They don't know ki Katak re kon achi. Katak re sabu history achi. Barabati Durga achi, amara Godkhai fort achi, there's a silver filigree hub, the history is in Cuttack, the people go to high courts also in other places to visit. So ame se infra se route plan kari pariba jodi vibrantly tare loko asibe. Similarly, all the areas like in infrastructure, like in urban development, when you enter a city, kona dekha jaye? Buildings dekha jaye, right? That's how you know the health of a city, wherever metro city whoever lands. So similarly, the government has to ensure कि जो buildings गुड़ा तैयारी हो चुकी हैं भलो तैयारी है पारिबो. तो how can we do that? You have to interact with the people who are building it. So all the areas, startup culture. If you're doing an incubation setup, then the startup handholding is very important. Understanding why startup is not growing, why the other states are faring well. So it is issue hochi, skill development how kon kari pariba. So there are a lot of deep diving things that we need to do in order to actually come out in 2036, which we want. We want that Odisha should fare well so that our state will go up. But we have to be very practical and we have to act immediately. Because coming from a business background, I know reports. We know Excel sheets. So I also present the Excel sheets for reporting to the departments. They don't give reports. Delay is a normal thing here. Delaying is a normal thing here. So it has to be a collaboration between government, between bureaucracy and the stakeholders. A seamless collaboration has to be there to be able to deliver.
Great. So I'll come to Upasana ji because a series of remarks, contrasting opinion on the current government. So I'll take your remarks. Just before that, I'll come to Jitendra sir because Sophia ji mentioned about tourism sector. Now, the people sitting here, they come from different districts, they come from different cities. We are talking about tourism, India's best kept secret. But why we stuck in this golden triangle that I don't understand? When we talk about Odisha tourism, it's stuck to Cuttack, Bhubaneswar, Puri. आम कुआड़े जा पूरी टूरिज्म कथा होचंती कटक भुवनेश्वर कौन अच्छी ये तीनटा डिस्ट्रिक्ट छाड़ देले भावुनी देयर आर सो मेनी ब्यूटीफुल प्लेसेस अक्रॉस ओडिशा बट वी टॉक अबाउट कटक भुवनेश्वर पूरी गोल्डन ट्रायंगल एंड वी हैव गिवन ए नेम गोल्डन ट्रायंगल सो आई वांट टू नो योर ओपिनियन जितेंद्र सर दैट हाउ वी कैन ओवरकम दिस व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन कि केमिति हमें करि परिबा बिकॉज व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट we were discussing Amit and me just before the session we are talking about the southern states जोटी it is not about the temples, it is not about the heritage sites, it is also about the festivals. सेठी festivals रे भी बाहर लोक आउछन्ती participate करूछन्ती. And here we are having one mega festival, obviously महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ का पुरी रथ यात्रा. किंतु ताकू जदि आमे छाड़ी दवा ता छडा एमिति बहुत सारा फेस्टिवल होउची. ओडिसा सारा बड़ बड़ बरमपुर रे होउची, संबलपुर रे होउची. But we don't see that kind of aggressiveness in prioritizing or maybe marketizing those things, and people don't know about it. So what's your view on those things?
Well, thank you very much. I will start with tourism, but I'll also respond to what these two wonderful ladies have said with a lot of fire in their bellies about the future of Odisha. But first about tourism. I'll tell you a story about this very hotel. When we came here, my wife and myself, I was absolutely stunned. I thought it was surreal. I thought it wasn't real. I mean, what? Taj, Puri? Okay. This morning, I had a godsend, maybe Prabhu Jagannath made it happen with the owners of this hotel. The franchise is with the Taj, with Tatas, but the owners, the people who built this. They had a vision. Here's the plot of land we bought. And they've now become good friends, Navjyoti and Rupali Patnaik. Very quickly, a lot of respect for them. So you locate the land, and then you have a plan, an architectural plan, and you get stones from local areas. You build a property which you think, after careful planning, will be luxury, super luxury. And luxury is fine. I mean, luxury is also important for some kinds of people to promote tourism. So you build this beautiful property. Then who do you give it to? You ask Tata. Tata says, okay, let's see the land. I hope you're listening at the back. Yeah? Please do listen carefully. You are in this hotel. Okay, let's go and see the land. So they come and see the land. ठीक है, अच्छा है. We can do Taj Vivanta. So, ma'am told me, nothing doing. You will have Taj, and only Taj. Nothing, no second tier Taj, only the top Taj. They reviewed, they said yes. And here you have this. So what I'm saying is, and these are young people like yourselves. You know, you may be from different political dispositions. It doesn't matter. We are all in it together, right? Let's be very clear about it. We have to be cohesive. We have to be united. We have to have strong leadership. We have to have a clear vision. We have to hope. We have to have a radical mindset and a revolutionary mindset that we can do it. So Odisha Asmita, here this hotel is an example of Odisha Asmita. And your tourism and the festivals, we live the festivals. Pana Sankranti, Sitol Sasti, Monda Pitha, Arisa Pitha, Chuda Ghosa, इत्यादि इत्यादि मु सबु जिनस खाइछि आ खाउछि मध्य मो परिवार रे एबे भी खाउछु आ खाइबु आ मोर सांग माने भी जानंती. You see, there's a lot of appreciation and curiosity now for Odisha outside, but the knowledge level is very poor. That's what I was saying. I don't want to sound pessimistic. Things are improving. Now let me go to sports, and this is bipartisan or tripartisan maybe. There are 3 parties involved. Look, Odisha has been talking of itself as the sports capital of India. I was the sports advisor. The World Cup. 2024, you did the Champions Trophy. 2017, you did the World League Finals, and then the World Cup. Fantastic infrastructure. You mentioned infrastructure. You also mentioned infrastructure in tourism. That's where it comes. Now, and then you have delivered world-class tournaments. You have won the goodwill of the world. You have put this city on the world map. Only Bhubaneswar, and to some extent Rourkela now. Nobody knew. Despite all the tourism, people didn't know. But because of the hockey, you have contributed not just to Odisha's soft power, but you have contributed to India's soft power. And Indians outside Odisha, they say with great pride, and I hear it with great pride as an Odia, that your state has done so much. And we won 2 medals. And we came very close to winning another medal, the women, in the Olympics. That's a huge deal. after the barren 41 years in Indian hockey. And that sport is the soul of India. So the previous government understood it, and the ones before understood it. And I have to say, the new Chief Minister of Odisha, great respect for him. You know what he does? The day he wins the election, he goes to pay his respects to Naveen Patnaik, to his house. And he pays his respects, and he asks for his good wishes, and he gets his congratulations and good wishes. And what does he do after that? He says, the schemes for hockey will continue. This government, putting to rest all the doubts, this government will continue to sponsor our hockey teams, men's and women's, till the year 2036, which was a great decision taken by the previous government, and an equally great decision sustained and continued by the present government. That's what I'm talking about. You cannot have Jagrat Odisha was a slogan during Nandini Satpathi's time, if you remember. So Odisha Asmita, you can't have these things. These are great things to talk about and feel good about, because every change starts with feeling and thought and emotion and fire in the belly. Nothing can happen unless we believe we can do it. But to do it, you have to do it. You can't just talk about it. And the governments are doing it. And there is a cohesiveness in this state that I have not seen anywhere in the world, a winning prime minister going to the home of the defeated prime minister and taking his good wishes and his blessings. I see the defeated prime minister congratulating the new prime minister, but not the new prime minister going. The chief minister went. And that, I think, was something admirable, and a lot of people told me that. So let's not be pessimistic. Let's beat our chest and say with pride and make a lot of noise and say we are proud to be Odia, and we will do it.
That's the beauty of Odisha, sir. Odia लोकमान ही सेमतिया बढ़िया कथाटे कहले कि जीती थिवा चीफ मिनिस्टर जाइथिले आशीर्वाद नवा पाई आमे ओडिया माने ही सेते माने सुंदर आम भीतर सेते सद्भाव सेते सम्मान अछि उपासना मैडम.
So before going to the closing remarks, drive by Amit, Upasana, I want to know from you about the remarks that just Sophia ji has given about the, Make in India, about the current scheme of the current state government. I want to know your opinion and how would you counter it? What's your view on this, on her remarks?
So this lit fest cannot get very political, like you said. But if I were to sum it up in just a few words, I'll use the words that have been used on this very stage by all of us panelists. Like respected Mishra sir used the word emotion. Everything begins with emotions. And my beloved elder sister here said that we cannot be emotional, we have to be practical. Which brings me back to another word that Mishra sir has used, that we cannot be pessimistic. Let's be practical, but let's not be pessimistic. Bhallo ko bhallo kahile kichi kharap hei jibo nahi. Eta amo Odia manankoro sundarta madhya. Eta jani rakhibaku padibo कि हृदयटा बड़ रहिबा कथा. आमे ओडिया माने परिचित अछु आम हृदय बड़ अछि. आम मन खोलिकी आमे लोक मानकु स्वागत करूछु. आपण पुरी आसीचंती, जदि जो माने बाहरु आसीचंती सेई माने पूरी टाउन रे टिके बुलिकी देखंतु, मंदिर जाईकी देखंतु. जदिओ आपनकु प्रसाद मिली पारिला नाही ताले केही ना केही से मंदिर भितरु बाहरिकी आपनकु प्रसादटे धरि देबो. एटा होछि आम पुरीरो कल्चर. आपण यूपी रु आसंतु, आपण राजस्थान रु आसंतु, आपण गुजरात रु आसंतु, पुरी रे से भाईना हुअंतु कि केवल जड़े भक्त से माने आपण को एमती ट्रीट करेंगे जमती आपण पुरी लोक आम पड़िशा घर लोक. एटा होची ओडिया अस्मिता. एटा होची आम ओडिया मान को निराट सत्य. आम हृदय बहुत बड़. आउ एबे समय आसीगलानी कि आमे स्वप्न भी सेते बड़ देखिबू. जेते बड़ आम हृदय अच्छी ताठू आहुरी बड़ स्वप्न देखिबू. आउ से स्वप्न इमोशन रो सह जन्म हेची, पैशन रो सह जन्म हेची. निहाती भाबरे प्रैक्टिकलिटी रहिबो, किंतु पेसिमिस्टिक हबा नहीं. आमे निजे निराश हबा नहीं, सामना वाला को निराश करबा को दबा नहीं. ओडिया आमे ओडिया भाबरे जन्म हेचु. केवल कहबाकू चाहिए आमे ओडिया भारी बढ़िया मिली मिसिकी आगो को बढ़िया. सेटा आम मनोवृत्ति हबा कथा. Let's be practical, sure, but let's not be pessimistic. Let's be very positive in our approach to building a new Odisha, a Bikasit Odisha.
I just want to add passion, pragmatism, fantastic combination. And here are two ladies who can set the example for all you women out there. Yeah, there are lots of young women, I see. And they are great role models for you and for Odisha and indeed for India, because it's the youth of India and we are very optimistic therefore.
उपासना मैम आपण यहाँ क्वेश्चन ये आम बढ़िया डिस्कसनटा है जो डेमोक्रेसी को ये पूरा देखा मिलला आपण कहते डिसेंट भी अच्छी बट आम हेल्दी वे रे डिस्कस करचे दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी दैट्स ब्यूटी ऑफ ओडिशा ओडिया सब बढ़िया अच्छा आपण एवं आम मैंने नारी मानक सशक्तिकरण कथा भी ये उठिला पूर्वोदय ओडिशार उदय समस्तंकर प्रगति विषय आम कथा बा गाँ गंडार रूरल एरियाजर नारी मानक सशक्तिकरण पाई आपणक मन रे कौन प्लान अच्छी
आज्ञा प्रथमे तो माइंडसेट चेंज सबुठु बड़ जिनस आमे पॉलिसीज आमे गुडे पॉलिसीज नहीं कि आनी परिबा लॉज नहीं कि आसी परिबा सबु किछि इंट्रोड्यूस करि दे परिबा बट माइंडसेट चेंज इज अ फंडामेंटल थिंग दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आपण या मन रे रखंतु दैट वी बिलोंग टू अ सोसाइटी वेयर विमेन are traditionally believed to assume more domesticated roles घर भितरे किचन भितरे रोसई घर भितरे सीमित रहुथिले महिला माने सेही मेंटालिटी रु भुवनेश्वर रो माँ माने झियो माने भौणी माने तो बाहरी सारी चंती बहुत आगो को बढ़ी सारी चंती किंतु आम गाँ गहली रे ए पर्यंत एमती किछि किछि सिस्टम्स अछि किछि प्रतिबंधक अछि जो जोगु महिला माने बाहर को बाहरी पारु नांती तांको टैलेंट को यूटिलाइज करि पारु नांती सेही मेंटालिटी आस्ते आस्ते चेंज होची आ जेमती कि हमें कहलु जो पॉलिसीज द न्यू लॉज दैट डेफिनेटली इम्पैक्ट्स किंतु आम समस्तंकर रोल रहिबा कथा इट brings me back to what I said earlier that every Odia's role matters me you all of us and even if all of us just take responsibility of changing or even impacting one life positively, I think that will make a bigger impact, a bigger change than you can ever imagine. बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है गोटे गोटे लाइफ को इम्पैक्ट करिबा आउ महिला सशक्तिकरण जोटा कि सबुठु बड़ प्रसंग भी रही और सबुठु इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक भी रही गोटे विकसित ओडिशा एवं विकसित भारत रो जतबेले आमे परिकल्पना करूछु महिला सशक्तिकरण केमिति हबो सुरक्षा तांकर हेल्थ उपरे हमको फोकस मध्य करने को पड़ो कहीं जो पर्यंत गोटे नारी कौन सी मनीष एवं जो पर्यंत गोटे मनीष हेल्दी नहीं मेंटली और फिजिकली हेल्दी नहीं से पर्यंत ना से निज जीवन रे अधिक किछि करि परिबे ना समाज प्रति कंट्रीब्यूट करि परिबे स्वास्थ्य देखिबा को पड़िबो सुरक्षा देखिबा को पड़िबो आर्थिक स्वच्छलता एवं तांकर एजुकेशन आई बिलीव एई चारटा जिंस उपरे आमे जदि फोकस करिबा ताहले नारी सशक्तिकरण महिला सशक्तिकरण रो उद्देश्य को आमे निहाती भाबरे हासिल करि परिबा दीज आर 4 वेरी ब्रॉड पॉइंट्स very broad points and we can discuss it at length. It will take us days. We can debate. आमे आलोचना समालोचना सबु करि परिबा किंतु एते डिटेल को न जाई कि मोया कहबी कि these are the 4 parameters that we should be focusing on विशेष करी स्वास्थ्य एवं सुरक्षा उपरे जेमती कि मो बड़ भौणी मध्य अग्री करिवे से मध्य बहुत थर आवाज उठेइचंती विगत दिन रे मु मध्य बारंबार आवाज उठेइची नारी सशक्तिकरण नारी सुरक्षा निमंते आज मध्य आमे जेतेबेले गोटे विकसित ओडिशार परिकल्पना करूछु गोटे सुरक्षित झियो गोटे स्वस्थ झियो गोटे शिक्षित झियो एवं आर्थिक स्वच्छलता आड़े गति करूथबा गोटे केपेबल सक्षम समर्थ झियो समर्थ नारी आमे देखिबाकू चाहूछु तैयारी करिबाकू चाहूछु आ सेही नारी माने सेही झियो से भौणी सेही माँ माने आमर स्वप्नर ओडिशा को मध्य तैयारी करिवे सेही कथा को लेखिकी रखंतु।